Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review and analyze the best products on the market. Today, we have an absolute essential that everyone should have on hand, the 330-piece first aid kit. Before we dive into the details, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss out on our in-depth product reviews. Now, let's talk about why this 330-piece first aid kit from Preparedness is considered the best in the market. This kit is fully packed with 330 professional medical supplies, including all kinds of bandages, a CPR face shield, gloves, iodine prep pads, an instant cold pack, a tourniquet, and more. It meets international medical standards and is 100% latex-free. The kit comes in a high-quality waterproof thickened nylon fabric bag, ensuring that your medical supplies stay protected and the bag itself is highly durable. The double handles and double zippers make it convenient for daily use and portability. One of the standout features is the Smart Area Classification design. It has 4 transparent storage areas and 2 specific storage areas for gauze rolls. The included manual provides clear descriptions and usage methods, helping you find the accessories efficiently and deal with crises without panic. Despite its comprehensive contents, this kit remains compact and lightweight. It measures 9.4 inches by 5 inches by 6.3, and weighs only 1.61 pounds, making it easy to carry and store in your car, RV, ATV, yacht, boat, jeep, bike, or motorcycle. It's ideal for home, workplace, outdoor activities, travel, camping, hiking, and more. With this 330-piece first aid kit, you can leave your worries behind and cherish every moment. It's designed to make you feel safe and confident. 247. Preparedness' mission is to provide high-quality first aid kits to people in need, ensuring they get timely help without causing panic during emergencies. Now, I know you're wondering about the price. This amazing first aid kit is currently on a Black Friday deal, available on Amazon at just $36.79, which is a 26% discount from the list price of $49.99. Plus, Amazon Prime members get exclusive access to this deal. In conclusion, the 330-piece first aid kit by Preparedness is not only a must-have for your home but also your car, workplace, and outdoor adventures. With its extensive contents, waterproof design, and smart organization, it's the best first aid kit you can find on the market. Don't wait for an emergency to strike, be prepared with the best. Check out the link in the description to get your 330-piece first aid kit today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.